Welcome back to MasterScrap. Saturday scrap session. First, have some tools and PPE. Don't cut your hand up like I did last week. Today, we're going to be doing patch panels. We're going to be pulling the gold out of these patch panels. There's a little bit of steel in there. Gold. There's little boards, but there's not anything on them that I think. We'll see. We will see. Stay tuned. So after all these are done, you go from essentially this to this. And you have plating, gold plating here, all through. So it takes a lot to accumulate anything, it really does. But I have a container at home about this tall, it's a jug, and it's about halfway full of a lot of plated gold pins and things like this. Phone jacks, Ethernet jacks. But they all accumulate, and I don't want to refine anything until I get so much that, you know, you're going to have a good yield. And these, truthfully, don't yield much at all. There's a light plating on them. But, like I said, more the merrier. And this is what the result is. So you start out there, you break them down off the steel and plastic, you get them to each little slot with cards. Now, I don't know what's in that. I don't know if there's anything worth it in there or not. I don't think so. I don't believe so. I might take one apart just to check, just to know. But this is what we're after. We're after that pile of plated gold. So the more of these you do, the better. So one of those equates to this much. I've probably done over 100 of these and have them mixed in. But yeah, happy scrapping.